Hey y'all, so this week we're talking about symmetry. Do you know what symmetry is or what symmetry means? Symmetry is when an object or a picture can be split into two pieces and be exactly the same on both sides. All of the pictures on the right are examples of symmetry, and the dotted line is where the shape can be divided in two. That is the line of symmetry. On the screen I have half a leaf, and I'm going to draw another leaf on the other side. Is this symmetrical? No, because it's not exactly the same, even though it is still a leaf. This would be called asymmetry. How about now? Is it the same on both sides? No, this leaf is still asymmetrical. In order for this picture to show symmetry, or for this leaf to be symmetrical, it needs to be exactly the same on both sides. That means it needs to be the same shape, same length, and same width. Now the leaf is symmetrical. So this week we're going to be in an app called Sketches School. It's the one at the bottom of my screen that's white with the blue marker. When you open up Sketches School, a notebook or sketchbook should pop up. Click on the colored part of the sketchbook, not on the white piece. It'll ask you to name it if you click on the white. Then click on the plus sign to open up a new page. We are using a special symmetry tool in Sketches School. To find this tool, click on the three dots at the top of the page. Then the two triangles with the line in between. This is the symmetry tool. If you draw on one side, it draws the same thing for you on the other side. You know that the symmetry tool is on if you see a line going through the middle of your screen with two triangles. To turn it off, you just click on the three little dots again and click on the two triangles. You use the same process to turn it on. We are going to make a Valentine's Day card using hearts because hearts are symmetrical. For this project, we will be using the pen tools, the one lighting up in red right now that's circled on your screen. You want to be on the largest size on the end, and you want to be using black ink. Remember for this project to keep your symmetry tool on. We're going to start by drawing half a heart on one side of the screen, and it's going to be a small heart right in the middle. I'm going to turn off my symmetry tool for just a second to show you the actual shape that I drew. This is the only thing that I actually drew. And if you make a mistake or if you want to undo something, just hit the back arrow at the top left-hand side of your screen. Now we're going to start at the base of the heart and draw an upside down heart. This is going to be the snout and the nose of our heart dog. You can use the picture in the top right corner to help you see what our hearts will become. Now we're going to draw one big circle for the eye. Draw another smaller circle right inside the bigger circle. These will be our pupils. Now draw a curved line from the snout to the eyes, and another curved line to connect the eyes. At the bottom of the snout, draw a long curve and a straight line down the middle for a tongue. Starting at the top of the eyes, draw half a heart shape for the ears. Make sure all of your black lines are connected and closed in and there's no open spaces. It'll make this next part so much easier. Now we're using the paint roller tool. The paint roller tool will allow you to tap and fill in a shape full of color. I'm still on black ink, and I'm going to tap inside the eyes and inside the nose to fill them in black. Coloring in the rest of the dog is completely up to you. I'm using browns or different shades of brown to color in my dog, but your dog could be all pink, all purple, it does not matter. For last little details, I'm just going to add in some highlights. So I'm going to add in 2 white circles with our pen tool in the eyes. And I'm going to draw an M-shaped line at the top of the nose to make the nose look nice and wet, like a dog's nose. Last but not least, I'm using gray ink, and I'm going to draw half a heart to make 2 little nostrils for our dog. Now I'm going to show you how to save your image and upload it to Seesaw. To save it, click on the 3 little dots at the top, the box with the arrow pointing out, and then Save Image. Then when you're in Seesaw and you've hit Add Response or that big green button, now you're going to hit Upload and then hit Photos. And you're going to select your dog Valentine's Day card. When you selected it, hit the green check mark. You can add anything else here that you would like to, and then when you're finished, hit that green check mark to submit your assignment. If for some reason you don't have Sketches School on your iPad, go to my YouTube to see how to download it.